Hello everyone, you are on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to use controller mic with headset PlayStation 5. Let's go. Connect headset. Mic. Headset. You can't switch. What to do? You need a splitter. Connect the headset to the splitter. Use 3.5mm sound. Now the sound goes into the headphones and the microphone is used from the controller. That's it. Now you know how to use controller mic with headset PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.